Hi you all, welcome back to my channel. So Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and if you're still struggling to find a gift for your Valentine, this video might give you some inspiration and might turn out to be useful for you. But do remember that even though Valentine's Day is to celebrate love and affection, if you don't have a Valentine this year, it does not matter, because use this time to pamper yourself and indulge in some self-love. I would totally pick out stuff from this for myself, or if I had a Valentine, I would totally pick out gifts from whatever ideas I'm going to share right now with you guys. So let's get started. So starting off with the first last minute gift that you can give to your boyfriend would be a perfume. Now I know it's a very common gift, but it is a no-brainer and it's actually a very useful gift. But you've got to make sure that it is a fragrance that can be used, you know, on all occasions and mostly everywhere that he goes. In fact, Ustra has the Insignia perfume which smells exactly like that. It has a very musky and royal and a soothing fragrance. I can't make you smell it through the camera, but it's got some really premium ingredients like agarwood, it's got bergamot, it's got cedarwood, nutmeg, and also grapefruit, which helps the fragrance basically last really long, I think up to 6 to 8 hours. The packaging also actually looks pretty cool, so if you don't have time to even wrap a gift, you can just gift it as is. I am going to link it in the description box for you guys in case you want to pick it up. It also is in the affordable range, so it may go out of stock super soon, so do check it out from the description box. Number 2 would be personalized cufflinks. I do know that giving something personalized adds a little personal touch to it, which makes the gift all the more meaningful. So I actually came across this website called asga.in, I think that's how you pronounce it, and they make personalized cufflinks with the initials. So you could basically give your Valentine their cufflinks with personalized initials. Plus this website also has some really cool accessories for men, so you can check that out as well and pick up something if you like. Number 3 would be gadgets. I think electronics or gadgets are pretty cool gifts to give as well. And if you specifically know if your boyfriend likes something, then that's great too. If he's into PlayStation or video games, you can actually gift him new games, or PS5, trust me, would be the best gift to give him if you have the budget, if you can get your hands on it, because it's mostly out of stock everywhere. Another really cool gadget would be AirPods or some really cool headphones. Apart from that, if he likes reading books, you could give a Kindle. If he likes coffee, you could also maybe invest in a cappuccino or a coffee machine for him. So yeah, just like try and research on some really cool gadgets that he may like. Moving on to number 4, I think boxers and socks are also really cute to gift. In fact, H&M and American Eagle Outfitters, I think they have some really cute boxers. And there's also this website called Balenciaga, again not sure how to pronounce it, but it has really cute socks. I am going to mention all the links in the description box for you guys, and also going to show you some really cute options on the screen as well, so you can get an idea of what I'm talking about. So yeah, I think these are a couple of gifts that are great to give your boyfriend. So before I move on to some gifting ideas for girls, I do want to share some gender neutral gifting ideas that can go either way. So I feel like gifting an experience instead of like an object is very meaningful. In fact, there's a website called Tinggly.com, Tinggly.com. I'm gonna link it down below for you guys, and they actually curate experiences for you. So they have some getaway experiences that they can curate for you, like depending on your location and your preference, which I think is pretty cool. Personally, I would love that. So if you want to give that a try, do check it out. And the second thing is something called Love Book. Now it's actually a very personalized story, love story that you can create for yourself. There's a website again for it. Gonna link it down below. You can basically pick out personalized characters, you can design the cover of the book, and you can also personalize each page to fit your love story. So I think that's a very meaningful gift, and you can gift it to either your guy or your girlfriend, so that shouldn't matter. So now moving on to some gift ideas for girlfriends. You can actually gift them personalized jewelry, but because this is pretty much a last minute gifting idea, you may not be able to get it personalized. Nevertheless, pendants and bracelets, I think I personally love them, so I feel like they are a great gifting option as well. Daniel Wellington has a lot of these options. I personally really like their products, so I'm going to link them down below for you guys. If it fits your budget, totally go for that. Another gifting idea could be chocolates and flowers. Now I know it's a very easy peasy option, but for last minute it's great and you can never go wrong with it. You can just pick up a bunch of her favorite chocolates and a really pretty flower arrangement and give it to her. I mean, ultimately it's the thought that counts, right? Trillion Roses is actually a really cool website where you can get really nice flowers. So I'm going to link it down in the description box in case you guys want to check it out. The third gifting idea could be something related to makeup. It's easy to pick up last minute, and especially if your Valentine is a makeup junkie, this would be the perfect gift for her. Just make sure that you pick up something that's not related or does not need to be matched to her skin tone. For example, lipsticks, mascaras, basically anything except foundation and concealer should be good to go. Now the last gifting idea that I could think of for a girlfriend could be a watch. I personally really like watches. I'm going to link down a couple of options that you guys could pick up from. Daniel Wellington again has really nice watches, but depending on your budget, I will link down a couple of options. Myntra has a lot of options available from different brands. So if she is a watch person, or in fact if she doesn't have any watches, or you can help her build a watch collection as well. So this is a great idea too. So that brings us to the end of this video. I really hope you guys got some gifting ideas from it, but before I sign off, I actually have to tell you guys that Ustraa has a really cool contest going on. All you have to do to enter it is get the Ustraa Insignia perfume, add it to your cart on ustraa.com and use the coupon code WIN, W-I-N, and that's going to give you 3 advantages. Number 1 is it gives you a 300 rupees cashback. Number 2 is it gives you a 10% discount. And number 3 is that it automatically enters you into the Everybody Wins with Ustraa contest. Now with this contest, one lucky winner can get a Bullet Classic 350cc, 9 lucky winners can actually get Firefox bikes, and 20 lucky winners can actually get Leaf Base 2 headphones. So all the details will be in the description box, so you guys must check that out. So that's it for now. As usual, don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe button. I really hope you did find this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to tune in back into my channel for more such videos, and I'll see you guys later.